What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If it's your first time on the channel, thanks for clicking on my video. I appreciate it. If you like men's fragrances, unboxes, and free giveaways, well, you tune in the right channel. Just click the subscribe button at the end of this video so you'll be entered in the next fragrance giveaway. And if you like reviews like this, please hit the like button and please share this content with somebody that likes fragrances. So today's video is going to be cool. It's something different. I just want to do a couple tips on fragrances. Where do you apply your fragrance at? Stuff like that. It's just a simple video, nothing crazy. So I hope you enjoyed the video, so stay tuned. So tip number one is a real simple tip. If you don't know it by now, it's okay, but I want to explain to you why people need to do this. Please take a hot and fresh shower before you apply any fragrances. Please do not apply a fragrance after you get done the gym, sweating, working out, going to work, etc. Take a fresh shower, dry off, pick out the fragrance you want, and then pretty much apply it where you want to apply that. It's okay if you don't know that. It's just a simple step. Maybe you're new in the fragrance, you don't know how to apply fragrances or when to start wearing fragrances. So step number two, this is if you have dry skin like I do, and sometimes the fragrance eats up really fast. Because my dry skin, I wear fragrance-free lotion here. And it right here, make sure it has fragrance free on it. I picked this up at Walmart. It was like about $4. So that works for me because I have dry skin. If you don't have dry skin, you can really discard step number two. Okay, now we're going to start my tip number three. Tip number three is mainly if I'm going out on a date, stuff like that. And the fragrance I'm going to be reviewing on this is Banana Republic 83 Leather Reserve. I do have an unboxing and first impression down below if you click that video if you want to know more about the fragrance. I'm just going to use this one because it's a simple, dumb reach. You can wear it. Okay, so you just got out the shower. You picked out your outfit. You're ready to go. Now you got your fragrance, whether it's this or whatever you want to wear. If I'm going on a date or I'm out with my girlfriend, whatever you want to call it, this is just an example, ladies and gentlemen. I'll do 3 sprays. I'll do one here on my neck. I'll do one here behind my right ear, and one behind my left ear. And I'm good to go. That's a very simple routine. If you just want something simple, that's it. That's a simple A, B, and C spray routine. If you want to go a couple steps further, you can do 6 sprays. Now you can do 6 sprays if you're going out to a sporting event, like you're going to see a football game, a baseball game, a basketball game, and you're going to be outdoors. So, being outdoors with the heat and stuff like that, maybe you want to just have a fragrance on. Maybe you just don't want to not have a fragrance on. It's all your opinion. You can have a fragrance on or you don't have to. But I would do is, this would be my, I would say 6 steps right here. Well, 6 sprays. I would do one here, one here, one here, one here. I do one on my head. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I do 5. 5 sprays. I do one on my bottom of my neck, the right side of my neck, left side of my neck, my head, and my back. So if you're out going to a sporting event, people can smell you right here, to your left, your right, top of your head. If you're really close to them, you're sweating and stuff like that. There's another routine. If you're going to be in the office at work and you don't want to offend anybody, you just want people around you to smell you. You don't want to smell the fragrance yourself. I understand that. You can do easy 3 steps. One behind the neck, one behind each ear. You're good to go. That's another step you can do. Really simple. You're not going to offend anybody. It's just very simple. This is a fresh, if you have a fresh fragrance, you just 1, 2, 3 sprays and that's it. You don't have to go crazy with 10 or 15 sprays. It all depends on the fragrance itself, where you're going to be at, and when you're going to use the fragrance in different scenarios. That's how it really comes down to, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to take it a couple steps further, if you don't want to spray here and here, or maybe your neck, or your back of your ears, or your head, or your hair, you can always take it another step further. You can do the inside, your arms right here. Go like this. You can go 1, 2. And if you want to do another step further, you can do the other side. You can do 1, 2. It's up to you. There's many different ways you can spray them. It's okay. If you want to do your pulse points, I would do here, inside my wrist right here. I would do maybe 2 sprays. And I'll do inside my other wrist here, do 2 sprays. So there's very different ways you can spray your fragrances. There's different types of tips and tricks. I'm not going to cover every tip because a lot of people do know about different tips. I'm just giving you a few routines, what I use, and if you're not using them, you want to apply them to your daily routine of fragrances, that's great. If you don't, I understand. This is just a video helping people that may not know how to spray their fragrances. And maybe people haven't had a chance to watch a video on YouTube or ask anybody how to spray your fragrances. So this is just a simple tricks of how to spray your fragrances. So if you like this video, ladies and gentlemen, please hit the like button. I appreciate that a lot. I want to take it a step further. Subscribe to the channel. If you do like this type of content, share it with your friends or family. I appreciate that a lot. And more videos are coming. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.